Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's find the security and privacy. Let's tap. Now we have to scroll in order to find the other security settings, and as you can see we've got the credential storage section. Here we've got the option we're looking for, clear credentials, so let's tap and confirm it with OK. As you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, we've got another evidence this option is not available right now, which of course simply means that we don't have anything to remove, because we just did it. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock kernel set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.